Good evening, folks. Welcome back to Budget Scenery Workshop. Today I thought I'd do something a little different. I have had in my room for ages the both the starter main big box set for Age of Sigmar and the Thunder and Blood that also came with it, that came separately, you know, at the same time. I made all the Stormcast Eternal minis, but I didn't really bother with most of the Warbands of Khorne. So what I thought today I'd do for something a little different is I just put all these little guys together. As you can see, some of them I have done, but for the most part they are, you know, in parts. So that's today's video. I hope you enjoy. Just let me know in the comments what you think, if you like this kind of thing. And as ever, if you have a build request, just drop a comment and I will add it to the pot. Once I get 10, I will then do a picking, planning and shout out vid. Also, you might have noticed I've moved my camera. That's because I didn't realise I did realise, but I just didn't think, I guess. I'm left-handed, so with the camera being that side, you wouldn't really see me doing like detailing. So with the camera on my right-hand side, hopefully you'll see everything now. Okay, so let's get started on this and cue the music. So the very first thing I did was, obviously I did them in order as best as I could, but I clipped them all off the sprue, and obviously they needed a little bit of sanding, so I just sanded them down with what I had, which was just a little nail file. It did the job. I also sanded the feet and the stand, just so it gives a little bit more of a better surface to stick to, I've always found. Plus, it also could just be the plastic glue I'm using. Mine's like relatively cheap stuff, so that's probably why it didn't adhere too well. I've tried using super glue in the past, but I've never liked how it leaves, you know, those marks. I may try the super glue and baking powder mix sometime for something different. But yeah, if you enjoy seeing these minis come together, I subscribe to the Mortal Realms Age of Sigmar book, where you get minis and stuff every week. So if you do enjoy, I can make this like a regular thing. Just let me know in the comments what you think. I'll also have an updated kind of hobby desk tour coming up soon. I've picked up a few more pieces. I just want to show you guys what I've got and what to look out for, so you can save yourself a few pennies. Also, I may be willing to do painting videos of these minis. As I have mentioned a few times, I'm not the best painter by a long shot, but yeah, if peeps would like to see how I get on painting these, just also let me know in the comments. Yeah, there was a couple of those standard bearers that I really liked. I also liked the fact how there was a couple of different variations, so I kind of mixed and matched as best as I could with these. Yeah, if you see those minis in the right hand side of the screen and the top right that have like red and also green bases, they were the first ones I did. They were from the smaller box set, I believe. What was it? Thunder and Blood, the little expansion that you could also buy. Yeah, the red was done with just cheap modelling clay, and the green was done with green stuff. I also had a couple of old gravestones that I added to a couple of them. I thought, you know, add a little bit more detail. I'm sure other people can just fly through these, find the numbers instantly, but I think it was quite frustrating to me how the numbers weren't like right next to each other. That's the only thing. But yeah, I still enjoyed it. Also, to add to the variation of the models, because there was quite a few that were the same, I like clipped like one side of the horns off on one model, and maybe clipped one side of the axe off on the other models, just so they kind of looked different, give a little bit of more variation to them.
Everything was black and white, now it's so different. Now it seems so right. Before I met you, everything was black and white, but it's so different. Now it seems so bright. You bring the color to my life. You bring the color. You bring the color to my life. You bring the color. Love is a rainbow. Rainbow is a smile of sky. Love is a rainbow. Your love makes me feel so fine. Love, you bring the color to my life. Love, you bring the color.
Also, I'm not sure if you've realised, but all my videos you see on my channel, they're done using my phone and an app, a video editing app. And at the moment, I'm hoping to kind of update and add more options. The only option is to like double speed it. I can't like make it like 5 times, which would cut these video times down considerably. But hopefully they're okay for now. But I do plan on upgrading and getting some quicker videos out there for you. Also, don't forget guys, you can drop a build request down in the comments on any of my videos. I will add them to the pot, and once I get 10 build requests, I'm going to do a like picking, planning and shout out video. So keep your eyes peeled for that. Well, that took a few hours indeed. But at least I've got them all done. Next will be undercoating them all, which is going to be fun. I've got a couple of favourites. I think I'm a sucker for standard bearers. So I like this one. Yeah, they fit snugly together. It just takes a little while, you know, to find the numbers. I think I'm just used to the old style, where you can just stick them together however you like. But yeah, a thoroughly enjoyable few hours there. And I look forward to painting these, which is saying something because I haven't even started work on the Stormcast Eternal lot. So I'm not sure. Yeah, I think I'll do the warbands, this Khorne warband first, because this is from a couple of sets and I'd like to get it finished. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed. Sorry if this was a bit boring. Just let me know in the comments what you think. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell and you will never miss a thing. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye for now.